everyone, and welcome back to AI English Flow, a place where learning English is simple and relaxed. I'm Anna.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tom. It's really nice to be here with you today.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And you, Anna?
I'm feeling good. Very calm today.
That's good. A calm feeling is perfect for learning English.
Yes, and before we begin, we have a small request.
Please subscribe to AI English Flow, like this video, and share it with someone who is learning English.
It helps our channel a lot. Thank you.
Okay, Anna, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about daily habits that improve your English.
Daily habits. I like that topic.
Me too, because many people think learning English is very hard.
Yes, they think they need many books, many classes, and many hours.
But the truth is, small habits every day are more powerful.
Exactly. So today, we will talk about easy habits.
Habits you can do every day.
And don't worry, these habits are simple and beginner-friendly.
So, who should start?
How about you start today, Anna?
Okay, let's start with listening. Listening to English every day.
Yes, listening is very important.
You don't need to understand everything. Just listen.
That's right. Many learners feel sad when they don't understand.
But that is normal. Understanding comes later.
You can listen while doing other things,
For example, while cooking,
or while cleaning your room.
or even before sleeping.
Slow English videos, podcasts for beginners, simple conversations.
Listening every day helps your brain get used to English.
Now I want to share a habit. It may sound funny.
I think I know this one.
Yes, speak English alone.
Talking to yourself.
Exactly. There is no pressure.
No one is listening.
You can talk about your day.
Like, today I woke up early. I drank tea.
Simple sentences are perfect.
Even 5 minutes is enough. Another good habit is learning small things.
Not too much.
Yes, not many words.
3 or 4 words a day is great.
And use them in sentences.
For example, listening is a good habit.
Simple and useful.
Anna, do you like reading?
Yes, but easy reading.
That's important. Easy English builds confidence.
Short stories, simple articles, even comments.
Reading helps you see how sentences work.
Let's talk about writing.
Many learners feel scared.
But writing small sentences is enough.
3 sentences a day.
About your day, your feelings, your plans.
Mistakes are okay.
They help you learn.
So today, we talked about daily habits.
Listening, speaking, reading, writing.
Small steps every day.
You don't need to be perfect.
You just need to continue.
Before we go, we have a small question for you.
What is one habit you will start today?
Write it in the comments.
We would love to read it.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing, slowly and calmly.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.